Top 5 Best Mixing Bowl Sets. Bowl up your kitchen game. Whether for professional chefs or casual cooks, we've got all your whisking, folding, and storage needs covered with these mixing bowl sets that come in a range of prices and styles. It doesn't matter if you prefer the clean look of stainless steel, the versatility and stability of glass, or the added volume that copper imparts to beaten eggs, there's something on our list for you. Fine Dine Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls.
And should have a complete set of stainless steel bowls in their kitchen. They help you cook with passion, bake to perfection, prep to go, whisk, beat, and serve your dreams. The set consists of 6 nesting stainless steel bowls, ranging from 3/4 quart up to 8 quarts, sized for every task in your kitchen. Our stainless bowls are food safe, environmentally friendly, and superior to glass because they weigh much less, and unlike glass, they will never chip or break. The high-quality stainless steel matte finish doesn't show fingerprints on the exterior and always looks great. The wide rims are designed to be gripped easily and make it simple to pour ingredients. The bowls have broad, flat bottoms for stability and a wide, shallow profile for easy tossing and mixing. You just throw them into the dishwasher when you are done. And when you are
Joseph Nest 9 Nesting Bowls Set.
It's the Joseph 9-piece nesting bowl set. Hey, how's it going? Patty here. I mean, the colors, it's gorgeous. All the pieces that you see in the description, they're here. All the measuring spoons, the bowls, the sieve, the colander, the big bowl, and just for size reference, the large bowl measures from inside to inside, it's 10 inches. And then all the bowls just fit so perfectly right into each other, and then they fit perfectly right into your drawer or your cupboard. This thing is, it's good. Thanks for watching.
Cuisinart Mixing Bowl Set.
Store the food right in the stainless steel bowl, so then I don't have to actually dirty 2 bowls. So that's really nice. And you notice how really tight the lid was? So it seals really easy. The other thing is, being that these are stainless steel, they're really well constructed, and they also nest together. So you don't have to worry about taking up too much space when you're storing these items. And the other thing that's nice too is it doesn't react with any food that you store in the stainless steel bowl. So that's our nesting stainless steel bowl. This is our mesh colander. It has soft gripped handles here. It's nice and sturdy, and it's great for doing anything like rinsing pasta, rinsing vegetables before you cook them. You can use it to almost drain anything that you would need to in the sink. So that's really nice and sturdy. And next we have our measuring spoons. They come in 6 sizes. They come from the smallest, which is 1/8, all the way up to 1 tablespoon. In here they have a nice soft grip so that your fingers don't slip, especially if they're wet. And the other nice thing about these is
OXO Plastic Good Grips. Duralex Gigon Mixing Bowl.
To think about where you want, buck it down, gone. Where you want that pie down, man. Where you want, buck it down, gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, buck it down, gone. Where you want that pie down, man. Where you want, buck it down, gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, buck it down, gone. Where you want that pie down, man. Where you want, buck it down, gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, buck it down, gone. Where you want that pie down, man. Where you want, buck it down, gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, buck it down, gone. Where you want that pie down, man. Where you want.
Visit our site reviewparks.com link in the description box. Like